Hi my lovelies, Pam Pam's Kitchen is back with another easy recipe. If you're interested in tasting this delicious waakye, keep watching. So today I'll be making waakye with red stew, and the meat I'll be using is lamb. So for the waakye, I'm going to use 3 cups of beans, the waakye leaves and baking soda, as well as the coconut milk. For the stew, I'm going to use tomatoes. You can use two plum tomatoes that comes in the tin. I'm using 2 onions and about 8 peppers, and I'll be using at least 2 Maggi cubes and a curry powder to season for the seasoning. And for my lamb, I'm going to cook it separately. So I'm going to cook the lamb with the 2 cloves of garlic. I'll use a Maggi. I'll put some ginger powder in there. I'll use the complete seasoning, and I'll add a bit of the mixed spice. Before you start anything, you're going to need to put your 3 cups of beans into a big pan. I don't actually like a lot of beans, so this will be a lot of beans for me, but for the purpose of the video, I'll keep it like that. And you would need to first of all wash it. You need to wash your beans. When you're washing the beans, you'll see some of the beans floating on the top. It means they're bad. One that's actually sunk. It means they're bad, so you're supposed to take them out. Okay, so that one is floating. Take them out and just look for the bad beans. Let's take them out. You need to wash it at least twice. You need to make sure you wash your waakye leaves very, very well. I'm using about 4 waakye leaves. Some of them are broken up, so you think it's quite a lot. But I'm using just about 4 waakye leaves. Wash it very, very, very well. Once you've washed your beans and you've washed your leaves, I actually stopped the video when I was washing the leaves so that I could open up the insides very well and wash them. Once you've washed the beans, you're going to put your leaves. Leave your leaves in there. You're going to put a bit of baking soda. So what we actually use in Ghana is a kiln. But if you don't have a kiln and you don't want to taste the stones in your kiln, just use a bit of baking powder. Just put it in there. And then you're going to need a big bowl of water to soak your beans. You might need another bowl. It depends on how much rice you're cooking. So I'm just going to fill up half of this and put it in there. So I'm pouring another half bowl of water. Okay, that's a lot. So I'm just going to leave it. See, this is the leaves that actually gives waakye the color. So the waakye, the color will change. The beans will get softer. But I'll leave this for about 2 hours. I'm not in a rush to make the food. So I'll leave it for about 2 hours. I'll cover it so nothing goes there, and put that to the side, and I'll get on with the stew. Cook the waakye. This is the state of the beans now. I'm going to take the leaves from the beans. I'm going to transfer the beans into this pot. This is the water you're going to use for the waakye. I need both of my hands, so I won't be able to show you this part. I'm going to pour this water through this into here. I don't have a bigger one, so excuse me. So I'm going to pour this in here, and then I'll show you the rest. That's done. I'm going to put it on fire. so that it cooks. And once it cooks, I'll wash the rice and put it in. And once I put the rice in, I'll put my coconut oil, but I'll show you all that part. So it's ready for you to put your rice in. But first we're going to put the coconut, well, we'll put the rice and then we'll put the coconut milk. 6 of this cup of rice. You need to wash it. Rice is washed, you're going to pour it. I'll advise you to take some of the leaves out. You don't want to have too many in here. And you pour your coconut milk in there. I'm going to take some water off for now. And then I'll put some oil and then salt. Good to go. I'll put some salt and oil. Stir it a little bit. Well, this isn't a little, but stir it and then cover it and leave it to cook on a low heat. Please use a napkin when taking the lid off your pot. So the rice has been cooking for about 45 minutes and this is how it looks like. Waakye is done. I'm going to cook my spaghetti and egg. I took some of the leaves, some more leaves out. I'm gonna leave it on here. Again, I'll put it on the back burner. Tastes good. Really yummy, and the beans are soft. This is good. Yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the lamb sauce video because you can't have waakye without stew.